So we go straight into question number B of that number 3. We are asked to find the angle between two lines whose slopes are 12 and 2/5. Okay, we use the formula tan theta equal to the absolute value of m1 minus m2 over 1 plus m1 m2. The first slope is m1, the second one is m2. Substitute it here. I will have tan theta to be equal to, my m1 is 12 minus 2/5 over 1 plus 12 into, that is times, m1 is 12 times 2/5, okay? We call absolute value. Then I'll have tan theta is equal to, let's solve the LCM of this. I'll have 60 minus 2, that is 5 times 12. You know how to solve your own fraction. So 5 times 12 will give me 60/5. Then here, 12 times 2 is 24/5. Then we simplify further. I'll have tan theta to be 58/5. Then simplifying here, 5 times 1 will give me 5 plus 24, which is, if I add here, I'll have 29/5. So bring it here. This is 29/5. So solving further, I will have tan theta to be equal to, this is something as 58/5 times 5/29. To solve the division, change to multiplication and take the reciprocal of the divisor. It becomes 5/29 instead of 29/5. 5 can cancel 5, so I'll have tan theta to be equal to 29, and this guy can give us 2. 29 divide itself 1, 29 divide there 2. So we'll have the absolute value of 2. Then absolute value of a positive number is same thing as that number. If we have a negative number, it becomes positive. So to find theta, my theta is tan inverse of 2. That's how we get our theta. So my theta will be equal to, we punch the calculator here. This is 63.4349483. We can approximate it to 1 decimal place. We are not told to, but when we approximate, we define. Let's take to 2 decimal places. 63.43 degrees, 2 decimal places. Please, whenever you are not told to approximate, or whether you are told or not, whenever you approximate, define your approximation, because this could be 4 significant figures or whatever. So define this always.